I really got to get my GoPro skills up. I'm gonna tell y'all, it's pretty cold out here. It's about 46 degrees. Got my GoPro running. I just went through the gravel, and I'm telling y'all, these 28 millimeter tires on the 700C, they went through that gravel and I did not slip or slide, and it's holding my frame, I'm saying me, a lot better. I got this bike tuned up. I used to hear all kinds of clicking noises, but with the GoPro running and my phone videoing me, I'm telling you, this is a great ride. It was a well spent $232. I'm very, very happy. And like I said, it went through that gravel real easy. I went the opposite way than I normally go. I normally come this way and go around, but I went out to the road and went left, and that was a lot nicer ride. Now I'm about to go through this Ryan Holmes Keswick neighborhood. Just a little bit of elevation and all of that, but I'm tuned to go now. So I'm just gonna swing through here, do a big loop, and come on out of here. It's cold. I got my riding top on, and I got leggings and some thin sweatpants on top, and my I'm moving slow too. Did a mile in 8-point-something minutes. Wow. But it's not always about how fast you go. It's about how efficient you go. I think I'm gonna have to invest in a bike computer. My phone can do a lot with GPS, but I'm curious as to how much watts and stuff I'm putting out. Steep hill, y'all. Legs burning. But it's all worth it. Karen told me to breathe more through my nose. It's hard to do it. But like I said, I'm gonna swing through here. It's cold, but it's not that bad. Swing through here, go around the big loop. Do that duplex. I don't think I'm gonna get 3.5 miles today, but I took a few days off because I was getting my bike tuned up. Y'all can hear it's quiet now, so I'm real happy about that. But this is what I like to do, you know, to try to stay a little bit in shape or get in shape. One or the other is gonna happen. I just dropped the earbud, y'all. I gotta go back and pick it up. Left ear definitely must be bigger than my right ear, because the right one always stays in. Can y'all? Alright. Had to go back and get a earbud. We all good now. I'm really impressed with how Old Town Bicycles in Fredericksburg